Hi, my name is Asun Hinterliner, and today I will be talking to all of you about geospatial social networks. A very unfamiliar network, so I spent quite a time looking for, and I hope my explanation will make sense to all of you. So let's move forward with some concepts that I found about this network. So, uh, geospatial social network can be defined as a type of network where nodes and edges have a defined geographic location. It's safe to say that we can define as a defined geographic location where something is located. And ages has a specific relationship between individuals and organizations. Furthermore, I discovered that this can be defined as a structure where nodes that can be considered people, organizations are attached to a geographic space. And edges connect nodes over geographic space, the space to signify a relationship. So, um, furthermore, a good example that I discovered about this type of network was back then Instagram, Twitter, that now is defined as a X. So anybody that has a X account or Twitter account had this experience in which Twitter exercise a lot of geospatial analysis. It's often published and described in any post that this social media has, application areas, disaster management, information from public health. In the case that we recently have the COVID-19, where people were often were relating specific locations to data, and people were able to share that information with a base, with a specific location, trying to figure it out which area was the most or was the focus of that pandemic and how this began and how it ended. So there is other ways that we can take advantage of this social media in cases that we want to analyze crimes and any other related matter. So moving forward, I wanted to talk about what is so significant about this social media. It's a help in some ways to obtain data quickly. But as this social media has an advantage, there are some disadvantage that some organizations may not enjoy to have it when we are dealing with significant new concepts. For example, so advantage of this using this network is enables people to more easily see, analyze, and understand different patterns and relationships. So, what could be the disadvantage? Is the cost. It's very expensive to use this platform. The user adoption. So, how can we make people get more engaged by using this platform? And the lack of awareness, the lack of standards, meeting some standards in order to come out with a defined result that can satisfy the research, and also the privacy concerns. Because people can find information, can find the data in a public spectrum, it really creates an atmosphere where people can be exposed, and that's what's related to the privacy concerns. So, and the bias is because some people can analyze these results uh, based on their own views, where some lack of ethical things can affect the final outcome of a study or the use of this network. So, how my organization will use this platform after focusing in three important areas, I come up with the understanding that my organization will use this platform to discover new areas. For example, my organization deals with remote areas in South America. Oh, So, such a remote areas, such a remote places where people needed more food, water. So, by applying this network, will help us identify the niche of where these people are and why these people were left behind and why these people couldn't get help in the right time. Also, my organization will seek to influence political actors to obtain financing to afford the use of this platform. As I mentioned before, one of the disadvantages of this platform is that it's very expensive. Because it's pricey, it will impact the budget of the organization that I will be working on. Therefore, requesting help to any public representative will be a great help for the organization that I will be developing my plan on. And finally, I believe that my organization can focus on using this platform to develop new approach. Why this new approach is so important? Because it will help us detecting where the power is situated. As I stated before, the power translates to the need. So this platform will help me, for example, to locate where these children and elder people are currently living, why these people wouldn't or couldn't be uh, repre- eh, considering a list for a specific activity, action that could bring benefit to these people. So, or why this group of children or elder people couldn't access to reach out a local office to support or to request their needs. So there are different ways that this platform can help um, support the needs of people that were left behind. I also discovered um, that this platform is used in national security studies. For example, when there are some studies that involves the localizations of terrorists, this network helps different authorities to come up with the right locations to verify the identity of these individuals that most of the time represent a threat for the security of a country. So geospatial social networks, it can be challenged, but also if there is enough funding and there is enough information, people can get accustomed and will actually consider this network as a good tool to continue exploring new ways to find solutions for issues that we may be facing in the future. Thank you.